You can't see waste from your desk. If you are sitting in your office computer or in your conference room, in your boardroom, you will not be able to see a lot of waste because the waste are happening in the shop floor. As people grow in their career, it's very unfortunate that we spend less and lesser time in the shop floor, right? And this is one of the major reasons why a lot of bottleneck activities exist in the company. And how to solve these bottleneck activities, that's what we are going to find in this particular video. Welcome to Kaizen Club. This is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing coach. I want to share a small example which happened last week. I visited a client factory, and this particular plant is assembling an engineering product with 3 sub-assemblies in a main frame, right? So at the final stage, the team was complaining that they are not able to achieve the targets, which is like about 60 numbers per day. They had 4 lines, and each operation, the final assembly stage, takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour for one product, right? And there are 3 assemblies, meaning sub-assemblies, which are getting assembled in the main frame. That's the idea. And after our training programs on value adding activities, and we touched upon some value stream mapping and all, so I took the team. So we went there, we stood there in the final assembly, and we started observing. The operator initially brought a frame, the base frame, and then hung it in the fixture. That itself was taking 10 minutes. There is no position indicators. He is doing a lot of adjustments, right? Initially, first he is fixing a nut, then he is removing it, moving it slightly, and then again fixing it. There is no proper place which is not visible. So there is a lot of trial and error happening, right? After that, the first sub-assembly comes, right? That's a big part. It has to be manually lifted and then assembled. At the 4 corners, there are like thread rods which needs to be inserted into the frame and then tightened with the nut. And initially, what he does, he lifted the component, used the thread rod, and made one or two rotations in the nut so that the product will not fall down. So he did it for 4 corners, and then the product started hanging from that base frame. And then what happens? He lifted the whole component and then started adjusting the nut. Because there is no identification, right? Where the nut should be, right? The person used the measuring tape, measure the height. Every time he has to check the drawing, and all the 4 corners he is measuring the height with the tape, and then he is adjusting. Sometimes he is adjusting more. Now he is removing it and slightly loosening it. So the sub assembly is going like this. After like 10 minutes, he assembled the first component, then the next component, similar way, third component. So for one assembly, it took about 40 to 45 minutes. The moment we all saw this activity, and then I asked the team, what is the value adding activity here? They all said, okay, tightening the nut. That is the only activity. And in that tightening the nut has to go to that exact spot where it is supposed to be there. It is an engineering product. The height is clearly given in the drawing, right? So then I asked them, see, why can't we have a small mark in the thread rod where the nut should be, right? Before even taking starting the assembly. They said we can do it. So we did a trial. The next product, we marked the thread rod with a small marking where exactly the top nut and the bottom nut should be, and then gave to the operator. The activity was completed within 3 minutes. All the 3 sub-assemblies, they were completed within 10 minutes. So within just by one observation, from 45 minutes, you were able to bring down the assembly time to 10 minutes. Right? Earlier, they were achieving only 25 to 30 numbers per shift. Now, if you see, in 1 hour, one operator can do 6 pieces. Within 8 hours, the person can do 48 numbers. 5 years, 48. Yeah. Just by 2 people, we can get more than 90 pieces per shift. Right? The company has 4 stations, and still they are doing only 25-30. Now with 2 persons we can meet the target easily with just 3-4 hours of work. This is the kind of impact which you can do when you go to the shop floor and observe the process, when you are able to spot the waste, right? We have to see the NVAs, non-value adding activities are there everywhere. The only thing is you have to go and see and ask the question, what is the VA here? What is the NVA here? How can I reduce? It just needs some basic observation, a focused observation without any interruption. But our people will not do it, right? Our engineers will be roaming around the full day, they will be there, but they won't go and observe. They will come and sit in the computer, prepare some big reports and present to the management, but nobody is spending time or interested in spending time for this observation. And this is where a lot of wastes are present, right? So if you are a shop floor engineer or a manager or a leader, take your team to the shop floor, stand there and observe what is VA, what is NVA. You will be able to see a lot of NVAs. Easy to do the improvement. Yeah. So this is the idea which I want to share through this particular video. Right? You can't see wastes sitting in your desk because the wastes are there in the Gemba. Gemba is a place of action, shop floor. Right? So go to the Gemba. That's what Lean always talk about. Be there in the shop floor. Don't sit in the boardroom or computers and make the decisions. Go to the shop floor and see. Very, very simple activity. It saves a lot of time and effort, brings a lot of improvement. Yeah. So if you like this particular video, please put a like and thumbs up for this video, and also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you'll get a notification. If you're interested in training your team on basics of lean manufacturing, shop floor management, we have a free course. I have given the link in the description. It's called Supervisor Development Program. 2 courses in that. One is on lean, another one is on shop floor management. Right? No need for credit card information. People can just sign up and start doing the classes. 7-day program with certification. They can start taking action in your shop floor. Right? So please share it with your team members, your production manager or your quality manager, your GETs. Ask them to do this course. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.